Lassi. This is a fermented probiotic lemon coconut lassi. That is divine. That has the most incredible ingredients you'll ever find on the planet. That is like a multivitamin mineral situation of glory in here for you at home. And this one is spectacular. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, ring the little bell thing, and you know, you get in the inbox the new recipes that I make. I love that when I find a channel and someone's doing something great. I really do sign up. I think it's spectacular. And this is incredible. I cannot wait for you to learn how to make this, and I cannot wait for you to make it. And please comment below, talk to me, tell me what you did, tell me what you added, if you added anything, or just make this beautiful recipe as it is. So this is for Gungun, who's behind the camera. So just look at the ingredients. I say it at nearly every video because I want you to really connect to this. If you can grow turmeric, grow it. Absolutely grow it. And if you can't, and you get it from a farmer's market and it's in season and you buy a lot of it, freeze it. Absolutely freeze it. Skin on, just freeze it, or cut it up into pieces and freeze it. Cryovacuum, vacuum sealing is really great. Vacuum sealing is like a little machine. Have a look on eBay or Amazon or somewhere like that, or Craigslist, some sort of platform to get a secondhand cryovac machine. And that will just, oh my goodness, what it is it just, you know, sometimes when you buy cheese and it's got plastic around it and it's like sealed, it does that. So it holds in its goodness, and it doesn't allow air and water and contamination to get in there, so it lasts longer. Just same as ginger. Like if you can't get a hold of fresh ginger, but you can in certain seasons, freeze it. Now, if you do want to use like an essential oil, you can absolutely to replace the ginger with. I use Young Living. Comment below. Let me know if you want the link to it. You can buy it wholesale, retail, or you can make a business out of it. It's whatever you want to do. It's up to you. So I have fresh ginger today, which is awesome, and I have fresh turmeric. Coconut yogurt. I know, right? Delicious, easy to get. Any supermarket that I know of in Australia has it, and health food stores. And I've got some lemon juice and some maple syrup and some ice. Simple drink, absolutely divine, totally gorgeous. You're gonna love this, it's amazing. And the combination of the acid in the probiotic coconut yogurt and the acid of the lemon juice just marries so well with that hit of maple, and it all just comes home. So you're just gonna dump everything into here. Now, how much ginger and turmeric? Follow the recipe. I'm gonna leave the skins on. Sometimes I like a little bit more turmeric on some days than I do other days, and sometimes I like a little bit more ginger. It just depends, but follow the recipe. It works. It's happening. So I'm just going to, I can grate it actually, because it says that in the recipe to grate it, and I think that would be wise for you, just so I follow the recipe right. So I'm leaving the skins on. It is washed. So I've got some turmeric there. It's a little amount. And the same with the ginger. I'm leaving the skins on. These graters are fantastic. They're very, very sharp. Okay, this is going to go straight into here, into my blender. Turmeric straight into there. I've got the maple syrup. Oh my God, I just want to drink this stuff. Then I've got some acid of the divine lemon, and I've got loads of ice. Because I want it to be like a slushy, right? It's kind of like a fermented, a probiotic coconut lemon turmeric lassi. Maybe ginger. Actually, it's all those words. Okay, now I'm going to blend. This is where you're going to taste to see what it's like. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. This is the best drink in the whole world, Gungun. And you know what? Gungun likes it sweet, actually. So I'm going to add more maple syrup in there for you, Gigi, because you like it sweet. Gungun's behind the camera today. Hello, Gungun.
Hello.
How are you, my friend?
Good, thank you.
You're going to love this. Okay, and straight into our glass of glory. And I want that thick, kind of slushy texture. Simple, hey? Very good for you. Very good for the kids. Oh my gosh. If you can get the kids into this, winning. Oh yeah. Oh my God. I want a little bit of a lemon there. And I want a glass straw because, you know, this is what we do. This is how we roll. And that, my friends, is how you make the best coconut lemon lassi on the planet. This is for you. GG.